automatic to. Diba? Pero, there's specific win conditions for Blacklist na medyo madaling maabot din. Like yung pagiging fed nitong Lancelot ni Full Clip, I think that's very easy for Blacklist to defend. So, win condition versus win condition pa rin.
Win condition versus win condition, that is true. And remember, one of the downsides dito for the side of NXP Solid is if hindi nag-online dito agad siling, they're gonna have a big problem. Rene J here, nahuli siya, and look at this, that's going to be the first blood for the Cyclops. Hindi pa natin sila napapakilala, nag-aaway na sila.
Grabe, ganun talaga katindi ang NXP Solid versus Blacklist International game na to. Unang segundo pa lang, unang 30 seconds pa lang, first blood na.
That is true. Full Clip dito, they get that level 2 agad-agad and they will not shy away from a contest dito sa Little Wanderer. Pero sabi ni MBN dito, ako Dexter, kanina pa kumukulit, hindi ka pa level 2, wala ka pang planets attack. So, pwede pa kitang harasin.
Go starting items here are all for movement, mostly for NXP. And ito nga yung sinasabi ko, it's going to be one intense macro game dito sa game na to. Especially with the lineup that NXP has. For Blacklist naman, it's going to be like just keep Full Clip alive, di ba? That is the goal. That is the win.
So nakikita mo dito si Eson at level 2, meron na siyang 1,000 pounder, meron na rin siyang blender. So that could be a tool na magagamit nila para makapag-lockdown ng mga heroes dito on the side of NXP. Solid Dexter dito, getting those demon shoes, demon boots.
And Unli planets attack na.
Unli planets attack na yan. Kumbaga, yan na yung pinakapuhunan niya dito at this point in the game. So, binibigyan siya ng onting privilege dito into just securing that minion wave para kahit paano makuha niya agad yung level 4 niya.
Yeah, mid lane control, yun yung feeling kong gusto din gawin ni Dexter here all day long. Aside from obviously, panghuli kay Larena J, panghuli kay H2O, he wants to control that mid lane.
Pero hindi natin nakikita yung pagiging aggressive ng Blacklist International. Kasi usually, ang ginagawa nila pag nakaland sila, nag-i-invade talaga sila eh. Yawi here going in, medyo naparusahan siya dun with the Thorn Rose, but that won't really be a problem because wala pa sila talaga pang-hold at this point. Rene J going in with the Dark Knight Falls. Let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng side ng NXP Solid. They actually go back. Blacklist International, they are sizing up their man. Tignan mo kung paano sila gumagalaw dito. Yawi with that jump, pero napa-flicker siya paalis. And look at this, ultimate coming out from Cyclops. Wala nang mangyayari after that.
It looks like Blacklist ayaw talagang pumatol sa mga laban na gustong i-engage ng NXP, which is a bit odd. Pero you have to think about the level of and items of Full Clip as well. That's probably the reason kung bakit talagang sila Full Clip, Thorn Rose lang. walang full engage lang nagaganap.
In terms of getting kasi yung mga levels nila, napakalaking priority. Getting your skills to scale. Yun nga yung sinasabi natin dito. Parang, sige, wag muna natin sila labanan. Wala rin kasi tayong Hurricane Dance ng mga panahon na yon. So might as well, bigay muna natin kay SME level 4 bago tayo lumaban.
Yep. And right now, pwede na siguro if they can do it, and that's why nagsisignal na sila, let's go, laban tayo, invade tayo dun sa purple pa. They will go for it.
And this is the aggression na in-expect from Blacklist International. But look at this answer coming out from NXP Solid. That is really good. Eson dito will get punished, pero Full Clip, may plano ba siya? That is the question. Hindi na nila ipipilit.
Talagang nung na-minus 1 sila, alam nilang, you know what guys, wala tayong set. Pagbigyan natin, and that's gonna be it.
Uy!
Look
at that dodge!
That was a great dodge.
Dodgerist! Oh! That retribution is there. Rene J dito going for Full Clip. Full Clip dito with the Thorn Rose. Tingnan natin sa may pinakalikod. Full Clip going 1v1 with Chester. Chester dito. Saan ka pupunta? That is the question. And Cyclops dito getting 2 kills. Okay. Sino ang nakakuha ng upper hand doon, Rockart?
Man, I feel like dapat NXP yung lamang doon. Pero Blacklist, they really got the post-turtle fight very well. And not to mention, 2 tore din ang nakuha ng Blacklist. Yung bottom lane at yung mid lane up. Matapos ang laban na yun, so I think they might have been ahead.
Look at this aggression coming out from Eson. The Hurricane Dance is there. And the connection between Full Clip Dexter and Eson, nakikita na natin dito in full effect. Gillette, instant replay, hashtag shave the day. Nangyari dyan.
Sabi nila, sobrang baba ng HP ng NXP dito, so why not just go for the isolation play? And yun nga yun. Chester was so deep into enemy territory na it was easy for Blacklist to just turn around tapos kumuha ng kill.
Oh, this is bad for the side of NXP Solid. I mean, the control on the map right now napunta na totally into the hands of Blacklist International. If you think about it, mid lane turret is down pero sumasagot sila dito. On the other side, Renegade dito, na-silent siya. Numinal Blast won't really connect. And nasipa si Renegade dito. The silence is there. And Renegade, napaka-aggressive. Pumasok pa uli ng isang blink at ng isang deadly poison
Sinipa
stinger.
ka na, bumalik ka pa.
Sinipa ka na, bumalik ka pa.
Ganun ka persistent si Rene J, mga tol.
Limits of the hero talaga. Alam ni Rene J. Alam naman natin na paborito ng Rene J ito eh. Sila lang halos yung gumagamit nito sa MPL. And you'd know na talagang komportable si Rene J pagka ginagamit niya yun. Just because tiwala sa kanya yung teammates niya.
Alam din ni Rene J na bulag pa naman itong mga to. Dark Knight Falls was still active. So, we can still make a really scary play. Pero at that point, secure na din yung Blacklist sa ilalim ng torre nila. So, they were able to disengage after that.
But ito yung pinaka-story dito, Rockhart. A lot of turrets are down to the
Yun
side
nga,
of NXP
oo.
Solid. Map control is clearly on the side of Blacklist International. How will they contest this? Asan si H2O? Nasipa si Chester
Aqua.
dito. And Chester, will he go down? Yes, he will. And look at that, unstoppable. But Yawi dito with that play. Full clip dito, will he go down? That is the question. He has 2 dashes. Tingnan natin kung mapipilit niya to. And he will go down to the hands of H2O. H2O dito will just go back. Si MB naipit dito sa may gilid. And tatlong tao ang gumagangster sa kanya dito. Aqua here, going up, going down. Let's see kung paano niya gagawin to. And that is going to be a knock-up. H2O with the Tempest of Blades. Tingnan natin kung paano pa niya i-convert to. Aqua will be the next target. Eson dito, mapapatay pa ba siya? That is the question. Wala na, tigil na.
Napakahabang teamfight nun. Yung sub-in, papasok pa lang ulit sa mid lane. And a very good capitalization there of NXP Solid, making sure na pagkulang ng miyembro ang Blacklist International, kaya naming makabawi with the kills of our own. I like yung galaw ni H2O doon. Kita niya yung super low na yung Blacklist. Iwan na lang si Eson at saka si Aqua na low HP Cho. So sabi niya, you know what, walang pipigil sa akin na kumuha ng kills at dahil doon, nakabawi sila in the gold.
Okay, so almost endless battle na dito si Full Clip while naka-endless battle na talaga si H2. So there are going to be things na ipipilit talaga dito mamaya-maya ni H2. Edward dito using his ultimate to get out. And Tempest of Blades nandun. The knock-up is there. It will cancel yung Hurricane Dance. Chester ang naipit dito and Chester taking the bullet for the team. Parang, iwan nyo na ako. Tumakbo na kayo. Okay na.
We got what we wanted.
We got what we wanted.
That's it.
Sige lang, okay lang yan.
Actually, medyo nagkaroon ng fail na dive on the bottom lane. Actually, nagulat ako, hindi namatay yung target ng NXP dun sa babang yun. Nakatakas pa siya for some reason and Blacklist was able to push back. Pero wala din naman masyadong nawala for NXP dun.
I mean, it's still a Khalid.
Oo.
Khalid pa rin talaga ang sa mga heroes na kayang magbaliktad ng pwesto ng ganyan. And Eson dito, kinain niya yon. And look at this. MB na ipit siya and Hurricane Dance. Make that 2 as Chester gets caught as well. Luminous Blast na huli si Eson and that is for Eson alone. Full clip, papasok pa ba siya? Hindi na.
Hindi na. Actually, Eson was super low. Pero again, the tankiness, the gold is really making a big difference na yung Akai this time compared to a few Akais that we've seen before. They were easily taken down. Ito namang si Eson ngayon, napakakunan. Kahit na tatlo yung atake sa kanya.
And si Yawi dito, pinipilit na nila to.
Kuha
And
pa
Full
rin.
clip going in for the Phantom Execution. He secures yung turtle nila. MB dito, naipit sa gitna and he goes down as well. Cyclops dito with a 6-1-1.
6-1-1.
Di buya ka 6-1-1 yan.
Grabe, boy! So, this is the reason why I think the Lolita was also drafted in kasi itong Cyclops, di ba?
That's true.
Pero hirap pa rin ang NXT na pigilan yung Cyclops na to. I'm a little surprised. Kasi actually, yung Chester is actually doing a great job in the early parts of the game. Right now, hirap siyang i-block yung mga star power lockdown nitong Cyclops na to right now. Blockable ba to? Malamit na block ba yun? It was blockable naman, di ba? It's a projectile.
But then again, that was a great play coming out from Eson. Nakamunti kanya mahuli dito si H2. But H2 being the consistent player that he is, mechanically skilled, na-dodge yun at the last second. Tumama yung stun. Tumama
It
yung
did?
stun.
Yes, tumama nga yung
But
stun.
still, if yung stun na yun ay nandun lang sa may area ng Blacklist, that is going to be a huge pick-off.
Mahirap i-follow up.
Oh, that's going to be a huge pick-off para sa kanila. And that could have been a turret down bottom. Siguro matatanggal na nila lahat ng outer turrets dito for the side of NXP Solid. But NXP Solid dito, they're not really in the lead. Kumbaga, nakuha nila, ang ginawa naman nila, nakuha nila pabalik yung gubat nila.
Yun, important yun.
Importante
Napakalaking
yun,
bagay yun for
importante yun.
NXP. They need to keep the control of the jungle para makuha ni H2O yung mga buff na kailangan niya para makapag-arangkada dito sa league na to.
Pero ang ginawa naman ng Blacklist International dito, hindi namin talaga ibibigay sa inyo yung dire-diretso. Luminous Blast is there. And look at this, the cancel. Mga kaibigan, nahuli yun ni Edward, pero Aqua onto the backlines. They will take down Rene J dito. And here comes the fight. Yawi going in. Dalawa yung nahuli. Tatlo yung nahuli dito.
H2O.
Ng kanyang ultimate. And look at this. Yawi taking up a lot of damage. Papasok pa ba si H2O?
I don't think so. That's gonna be a great counterplay. Actually, feeling ko dapat fullback na yung NXP doon. Pero Yawi was able to do something. A really good, actually, it was really good pero wala masyadong follow-up obviously because everyone was slow. Pero na-save niya yung teammates niya. Yun yung importante doon.
Hindi na dapat papabor yun sa
Oo,
NXT.
dapat.
Hindi na dapat. Pero just because of that play, it really changed the tempo of that fight. They converted it into 2 kills or 1 kill, and that really made it worthwhile for the side of NXT Solid. Blacklist International, on the other hand, they go for the Lord, and the Lord has been slain. Nahuli dito ni Lance, but Lance will go down, and he's probably happy with that. At least nakuha nila yung Lord. Because kapag hindi niya nakuha yung Lord at nakuha pa siya, that's gonna be disastrous for the side of Blacklist International.
I'm very impressed by the objective secure of Blacklist dito. There's so many times of overpowering na yung NXP eh. Kita mo na dapat sa kanila eh. Like yung kanina, lethal counter.
Chester na naman.
Chester na naman.
With a nominal blast, pero lagi siyang nakikita dito ni Edward. And look, nakita mo yung Star Magic,
Star Power Lockdown.
Star Power,
Magic.
Star Power Lockdown.
Mag-artista na.
Iba yun.
Iba yun.
Star Power Lockdown, Star Magic. Star Power Lockdown.
Got blocked. Yes.
Got blocked kasi projectile pa rin siya.
It's
And that's
very
the thing
good.
about the Star Power Lockdown. That's the thing. Projectile siya, na tsaka medyo mabagal talaga kasi.
That's why it makes it. Some people would say bakit naglolito si Chester dito, pero it makes a lot of sense in that regard to save H2O as well from those high duration stun.
Pero ang tanong kasi, kung paano sasabayan ni Chester si H2. Kasi at times, yung Link kasi capable siyang pumasok talaga dun sa pinaka-backline,
movements, no?
di ba?
Oo.
Pero kasi, unless mag-flicker ka o magda-dash ka talaga for Chester, it's not going to be possible na talagang mahabol mo lang siya ng ganun lang kadali.
Yawi nakikipagpatintero dito and the rest of Blacklist going on chase for Chester forcing flicker out and MB pa rin nasa harapan. Di nila malagpasan. Looks like chill muna sila and Rene J kanina pang chumichill sa gilid.
Okay, so napuwersa dito ng Blacklist International yung flicker ni Chester. Why is that big? Kasi kanina ko napapansin nyo, laging ginagamit ni Chester yung mga brush para makakuha siya ng magandang Luminous Blast.
Hindi na niya kailangan super
Oo,
mag-flicker.
hindi niya kailangan mag-flicker in. Pero for those big plays kasi at times kapag gusto mo nang i-pull yung trigger dun
You
sa
need to
Luminous
secure
Blast,
it, eh, no?
Oo, parang
Oo.
yung flicker talaga yung magiging kaibigan mo eh at those times eh. So that is a good play coming out from Blacklist International. But for NXP Solid, kaya pa nila mag-push ng waves. And this is going to be big. Tignan natin kung paano nila ayusin to.
Ito na nga ang flicker in. Ito na ba yun? Ito na ba yun? It's not gonna be used, but it locks 2 people down pa rin naman. Dark Knight Falls blocks the vision para sa Blacklist, pero looks like sila pa rin ay makakatakas. Eh, si Chester hindi pa daw yata tapos. And again, si Rene J, hindi siya sumasama sa team fight. Lagi lang siya nasa gilid, either sa bot lane or sa top lane.
Okay, so ang nakikita ko dito for Rene J, lagi siya nag-split push. And NXP Solid dito, kung papansinin mo, they're not going for those big team
Hindi
fights.
na all-in, eh, no?
Hindi sila
Oo.
nag-all in sa mga team fight. Ang ginagawa na NXP Solid dito, kung yung Blacklist gusto lumaban, kasi nasa kanila talaga yung lamang ngayon, ang ginagawa na ito ng NXP Solid, inutakan nila, sinasabi nila, sige lang, kunyari, hakasakasin nyo. Tapos si Rene J, gawan nyo ng space para makaikot-ikot si Rene J.
And speaking of ikot-ikot, si Esso na nga ang gumagawa nun ngayon with the rest of the team going on to Yawi. Full clip pang escape na Phantom Execution. Luminous Blast gonna be cancelled again here. And I think sobrang aware na ng Blacklist with the full effect ng Luminous Blast ni Chester ngayon. Ramdam nila na ang ganda ng placements ng Luminous Blast lagi.
So parang nag-isiso na tayo dito, Rockard. Kanina bumabalanse na yung siso eh. Yung NXP Solid, kanina sila yung nasa baba, yung Blacklist yung nasa taas. Ngayon naman yung NXP Solid, sila naman yung pumupunta dito sa gubat ng Blacklist
Sila na
International.
ngayon ang tumutulak.
So paangat na dito ang NXP Solid kung iisipin mo.
Here we go again for a big team fight. Luminous Blast gonna get cancelled this time around. Lockdown onto Aqua, muntik ng madedo. Pero si Full Clip nasa likod pa rin. Dumadash in, dumadash out. Lockdown itong si Yawi.
Oh! Nagkahulihan dito mga kaibigan, tatlo na huli ni Yawi dito. That is going to be the Kufra Power. H2O going in. Tignan natin kung makakahabol pa sila dito. Blacklist International, they want more. Aqua dito, bumalik na rin sa laban. Tignan natin, H2O pwesto. Paano niya ayusin to? Star Power lockdown will be thrown out at mapipersa dito umalis si H2O, but andun si Chester to block it out.
Another block by Chester and very effective. Everyone on NXP is low pero kaya pa rin nilang mag-back out, mag-sustain. Ngayon, hinahanting naman ngayon ng Blacklist. Itong si H2O, hindi niya mahuhulihan ng ganyan yan.
Okay.
Especially dahil naka-cooldown din yung Star Power lock.
Kahit ang ganda ng mga setup na ginagawa dito ng NXT Solid, especially on Chester and Yawi's part, ang ganda rin kasi ng ginagawa nila Edward eh. Kumbaga, kapag ka nag-lock up ng ultimate dito si Lolita, si Chester, ang ginagawa ni Edward, inuultihan niya din pabalik.
Oo.
So that everyone gets forced back din. Na parang, sige, ulti ka. Mahuhuli kang dalawa sa amin, pero kapag ka nag-ulti din ako, patas tayo.
Oo.
Walang makakalapit, walang makakalamang. Patas lang.
Exactly. And pansin mo, after nung ulti din ni FB, ni Edward, may follow-up naman. After nung ulti din ni si Yawi naman, yung sense mo setup after Chester. So, parang never nag-initiating na Tyrant's Rage itong si Yawi eh.
Never.
Lagi siyang pang follow-up.
Never. Pero ito, ang ganda ng huli na to for Eson, but he didn't really pull the trigger as medyo malayo yung mga members niya dito, yung mga
3v4 to, 3v5
of Blacklist International, but there's the knock-up, nagkahulihan na sila dito. Yawi will be the target. Don't really think that's the best target to go for as H2O is here. Nominal Blast will connect on 2 and look at this. The turnaround, what is this team fight? What is happening right now? Full Clip is the first one to go down. Let us see kung ano pa ang mangyayari. Star Power lockdown, binato ng malayo doon kay H2O. H2O will shrug it off. Tignan natin kung paano pa nila i-secure dito yung kill kay Dexter. And how will Edward save his ally? Save his ally! Look at that execution coming out from MB. MB dito, napapatakbo na. Chester dito, sinapak ni Aqua. Aqua dito, napapatakbo na din. Ang daming nangyayari sa team fight. Ang daming nangyayari! Hinigutan! Hinigutan! Eson! Oh my goodness!
Oh my God! H2O using that episode plays para makadodge sa Star Power lockdown. Grabe namang save yun. Kabatiran kung kabatiran. Talo ba si Jack and Rose?
Wala
Grabe naman si Kuya Eson.
Hindi sabihin na natin to, NXP Solid, they're getting their way, but still, Blacklist International, ang ganda ng mga reactions nila.
Subukan lang i-breakdown to kasi ang gulo talaga ng fight. Actually, butik, medyo kalahati na nga pala to. So ito na yung dulong-dulo. That save by Eson, grabe with the super slow motion. I got you, fam. I got you.
Tinapos ni Eson ang dapat tapusin. Kumbaga, si Eson yung awat.
Oo, awat
Yung
na.
tipong, alam mo yun,
Bouncer.
Buboy, pagka nagkakampulan na, syempre, anong gagawin mo, pre?
You need to call.
Aawat ka, si Eson pumagit
Oo.
na. Tol, tama na, tol.
Tama na.
Tol, ayoko na.
Ayan, pag may away kayo, si Eson tawagin nyo.
Si
May
Eson
away,
ang tumapos
may
ng
away sa basketball court sa barangay.
Oo, yan, si
Eson na.
Eson. Si Eson ang tagapagtanggol. Eson, what a play.
What a play.
This guy.
Alam mo, nakita ko dito, sobrang parang rubber band. Parang tinutulak ng NXP yung limits nila. Tapos yung Blacklist tumutulak lagi pabalik. And same happens when Blacklist does something, yung NXP parang hindi mo naman ma-takedown ng kompleto. Kasi ang kunat na din ang lineup nila.
Aqua dito getting the Queen's Wings. He's really trying to go for these engagements. Aqua dito, mahuhuli sana ni Yawi. But still, look at that kick!
Wow!
Wow!
Oh!
Oh! Oy! Nagkasipaan pa nga pero nahuli dito si... Oh, look at that connection!
Grabe!
Oh
Ano ba
my
to?
goodness! Aqua! Aqua humans! Ano nangyari doon? Ano
Pa-replay,
nangyari doon?
Please lang pa-replay nun. Ang daming nangganap dun sa labanan na yun. Na, pinapanood ko dun si Full Grip actually. Ang dami yung dinudge. And si Aqua talaga, hindi ko Grabe. Anyway, here we go, another Lord. Yung starting, akala mo mamatayin si Aqua, sinipa pa niya papasok ng Torres H2O, doon nagsimula lahat.
Okay, tama yung idea ng NXP Solid eh.
Tama nga.
Sila yung nakakalamang doon.
Oo.
Sila yung nakakalamang doon. Papasok si H2O yung mag-clean up. But at that point na pumasok siya, hindi naging enough yung damage niya. He was put in a spot na pwede siyang sipain paloob pa doon sa
Nangyari
base
yun.
ng Blacklist International
To the tower.
to the tower. And may Tempest of Blade siya, pero Eson dito and the others, Ito yung tinatawag na ano, pre, kung nanonood ka ng anime, ito yung True Zone.
The throw zone.
The True Zone, para sa side ng Blacklist International, na nakikita nila yung ginagawa ng teammate nila.
Interesting.
Nakikita nila ginagawa ng teammate nila. Tapos si Eso, nung nakita niya... Ito. Sige.
Ay, hindi, tapos na. Oo.
Okay.
Ito na yung after mag-clean up ng Blacklist. Siguro na late lang yung nanonood din siguro.
Oo, pero wala eh, na-hype eh. Pero
Na-hype.
Aqua doon. Aqua, what a player.
Aqua, parang alam mo yung tulog ka, tapos ginising ka, tapos sinuntok mo yung gumising sa'yo.
Oo.
Nasuntok mo, parang ganun nangyari.
Ganun.
Tulog ka, huy! Tapos nasipa mo sa tore. It's weird. It's a good amount of reaction. It's a good reaction to what was supposed to be a bad thing for Blacklist.
Pero ito lang sabihin ko, kahit anong mangyari dito sa laban na to, ang ganda ng game 1 na to.
Grabe yung game 1 na
Ang ganda ng game
Pang
1 na to.
finals.
And look at this, the flicker in, nahuli nila dito si Dexter. Dexter, hinahabol siya ni MP. Edward and the others, how will they fight this? That is the question. How will they end? Ito kasi yung nakikita natin na usually medyo tumatagal for this MPL.
Oo.
Kung paano mo i-close down yung game.
At magandang test din to para sa Blacklist kung kaya ba nilang ma-close down against NXP yung ganitong klaseng lamang. Because right now, hindi naman sobrang solid nung lamang ng Blacklist. NXP is only behind 5,000 gold. At sa puntong ito, feeling ko halos 4 items completed na din halos lahat ng NXP solid members. So, kaya nilang mag-team fight pa rin talaga.
Alam mo, si Rene J dito, kating-kating na tayo, 253 siya. He has the capability to burst down anyone sa may mapa dito. Pero kasi, the amount of control na meron sila kay Rene J, lalo na yung Akai, yun talaga yung literal na hindi nagbibigay ng opening para sa isang Hellcurt.
Yep. And it also has immortality, so medyo mahirap na ding mag-rely on just a one assassination attempt. Kailangan it's going to have to be the cleanup para maging effective si Rene J, and I don't think that's gonna be possible. Considering Eson, sobrang instrumental sa laban na to, I have to say.
Instrumental, kahit acapella, isama mo na.
Tama.
Pero alam mo, si Chester dito, tsaka si Eson. Ayan, sige, palukan
Papasok
kayo.
tayo.
Best, balon tayo, best.
Espada sa'yo, ito.
Oo.
Hahammer sa akin.
Paluan lang sila
Paluan
dito.
lang
And
yun,
tingnan mo naman yung ginagawa ni Edward dito. They're just pushing back etong side ng NXP Solid. So may tatlong tao dito to the side of Blacklist International na nakaabang sa may purple ng isang ni H2O on the side of NXP Solid. So, yun talaga yung pinakagagawin nila dito. They will try to get yung mga resources ni H2O dito para kahit pa paano, malimit yung fighting power niya.
And taking down the purple, malaking bagay laban sa isang link.
Alam mo yun, kumbaga, yung firepower mo, sabihin na lang natin, nandiyan na naman na yung damage kay H2O eh. Nasa kanya na yung items. But the thing is, kung tatanggalin mo sa kanya yung buff na yun,
Yung mobility niya.
yung mobility niya talagang malilesen.
Tama.
Yung damage andun, pero mobility will be lessened.
And that's a big thing. Especially if you're a link player, you know na pag wala kang purple, napakahirap talagang gumalaw sa mapa. And yun susubukang gawin ng Blacklist ngayon. Actually, ngayon nga, kahit ako, dapat yata nakawin na lang ni H2O yung purple nila ngayon sa sa Blacklist. Kasi you need it. You really need that buff.
At kanina pa tayo nakatutok kay Eson dito. Sa totoo lang, yan yung life motto ko ngayon eh.
Ano?
I'm not fat, just chubby.
Just joking. Ayos.
Pero ano naman, saktong init lang si Eson dito. I mean, Eson is... Pero
Oy,
sa
may nahuli, may
nahuli sila dito. And they will get Aqua. Aqua will go down. Nice pick off from the side of NXP
pick off
Solid.
from
Ang ganda na ginawa ni Rene J doon. Pinadilim niya yung paligid. Para talagang sure. Nasa kanila yung
Element, no? Tapos meron pang bouncing baby ball sa ibabaw mo. Wala kang talagang
Might as
takas
well,
doon.
di ba? Might as well. Kung ikaw si Rene J at that point, gagamitin mo na lang yun para wala na makabackup eh.
That's true. Here we go, another big one here on the purple buff area na naman. Eson pushing back Deawi. Pero kaya mo bang lumaban nung kulang kayo ng isang Aqua? Titignan ngayon ng NXP kung kaya nilang i-secure itong Lord na to. The zone is real para sa NXP.
Now, ang tanong dito for the side of NXP Solid, is this safe? Remember, you are still going up against a Lancelot. Thorn Rose, Retribution, yun yung puhunan yan. Full clip dito, where is he? He's really trying to go for
Edward!
this, and Edward dito will go down. He has the immortality, pero look at this, si MB nandun lang sa my Lord. He's gonna go in. Kulang dito yung side of Blacklist International, Luminous Blast down 2. And look at this, what is going to happen? Kaya ba nila mabaliktad to? A play
Sabi ko sa'yo, rubber band lang
Grabe
nangyayari
yung
dito
laban na to.
paulit-ulit, di ba?
Ang gaganda ng mga ulti nila sa isa't isa.
Oo, pero walang nata-takedown
Walang
agad-agad.
nati-takedown.
Tapos, yung backup galing sa base, dumating na.
I mean, may mga immortality kasi.
Oo.
Kaya talagang yung laban na yon, it's not about winning the game. It's about taking off yung mga immortality.
And I think nangyari na yon for Blacklist. Dalawa sa kanila ngayon, walang immortality, si Eson at si Edward.
So that is a comfortable position for the side of NXP Solid. If you agree.
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Kasi,
Lalo ngayon, no? Tingnan mo.
next time nalalaban sila dito, next time nalalaban sila dito, unless palipasin nila yung opening na yon na mag-cooldown ulit yung immortality, medyo magkakaroon na talaga sila ng may lamang talaga sila. Hindi
Oo.
medyo, may lamang talaga sila.
So, time is of the essence
Time is
para
of the
dun sa mga
essence.
immortality counter. So, pag kulang ng immortality yung kalab, ayan no, itemization, looking like almost everyone from NXP right now has that. And I think malaking bagay din na timer yon for Blacklist na nawala yung mga yon. It's weird for me na hindi agad lumalaban yung NXP. That's what I want to see from these guys right now. Just fight right away while Blacklist is waiting for the counter.
Pero meron na naman pick-off yung dalawa doon sa may taas. It's going to be Renegade and H2. Sino ang hinuhuli nila dito? They actually catch Edward. And
Ayun na
Edward
nga.
dito will go down. Pero doon din sa kabila, meron din silang pick-off and that is going to be a Anomaly Blast getting missed. Pero at least a kill going to the side of NXP Solid dito. Edward getting caught out. Itong combination talaga na to, yung H2 Renegade combination. Maghahanap talaga sila ng pick-off. And Bruce Queen kanila in terms of damage. Not really on the stunts. It's all about the damage.
That's what I'm talking about. Like, take advantage of Edward's immortality down. And yun nga ang ginawa ng NXP. Now, they're gonna go for the Lord. Half HP, inaabangan, kinikip lang nila. Ayaw nila pa-reset. Eson, naghahanap ng timing, ng opportunity, pumasok. Si Aqua sa likod, lumalaban agad.
And look at this, Eson dito with the Hurricane Dance. Nahuli siya dito sa may gilid. H2O getting locked down. The question is, saan si Full Clip? Paano gagawa na paraan ni Full Clip to? Blacklist International, they're falling really low dito sa mga members. And nahuli dito si Full Clip sa may kabila and he uses Phantom Execution. Does he have enough to get away? Yes, he does. Eson dito
Ito na ang
trying to
momentum.
assist his ally. This is a 3v5 situation. Blacklist International, how will you fight this? That is the question. Can you contest? Can you contest?
Ayun na, hinabol na and si Rene J ang nahuli nila Edward dito with a Desert Tornado by Edward. Lord is still 40%. They are gonna try to go for it. Ayaw bitawan ng Blacklist.
Ang layo ni Full Clip dito. Full Clip, can he make it in time? Does the Retribution go in for Full Clip? Full Clip dito. Asa yung Red?
Edward!
Of Edward! And that will be a steal. Full Clip dito will go down. Does it matter though? Does it matter? Yun yung tanong. Nagmamatter ba? Kasi at this point on, pwede ata i-diretso dito ng NXP Solid to.
That is the case, pero the problem is, again, the Lord is going to be on side of Blacklist on the mid lane. Naubos na ang miyembro ng Blacklist dito. And H2O with Tempest of Blaze locks up this Edward. And ako, wala kang immortality. You are gonna get stunned
Ayan na
up.
naman! Ayan na naman!
Oh
Yung
my
taga-awat! Yung taga-awat! Tama na, pre! Tama na!
Tama na, pre!
Tama na!
Grabe yung... Ano ba naman yung epekto ng ano na to? Ng akain na to? Grabe naman talaga.
Game number 1 pa lang!
Game 1 pa lang to, mga
Kasimula
kaibigan.
pa lang ng araw namin! Huy! Awat!
Awat ng konti. Eto, the money play. They were all looking at Full Clip, pero hindi nila alam si Edward pa lang tatapos with the Desert Tornado proc. Man, that was unexpected. Akala ko talaga NXP Lord na yun eh. That was a high level play. And for both teams
Inaabangan ko yung Retribution for both teams. Retribution.
And yung NXP inaabangan din yung retry.
Yeah.
Sa totoo lang.
Retribution yung inaabangan ko at that point. To be honest, it's all about the Retribution at that point on. Yung isang bar na yon, that was really just Retribution na pwede mong pindutin, you secure it, and you get the Lord.
Yep.
But for Edward, hindi niya tinanggal sa mata niya yung Lord na yon. NXP was there. They're doing their jobs.
Yes.
Ang ganda ng pacing nila.
Tatlong miyembro ng NXP yun ang kumbaga hinihila nila si Full
Hinihila
Clip.
nila. Hinihila nila si
Tatlong
Full Clip.
miyembro. Nakahawak sa kamay,
Oo.
pati sa leg yata, nahawakan na nila.
Nahawakan na talaga doon si Full Clip. Wala nang Retribution.
Wala
Ang
na.
ganda na ginagawa ng
Oo,
NXP Solid.
perfect na yun eh.
But, the thing is, you take one person into account, full clip. You do not take into account itong Edward.
Oo,
Edward, man oh man, if you think that Kyrie or full clip is the only reason kung bakit nananalo yung Blacklist International ngayon, think again.
Mali.
You have Edward, you have Aqua,
Nakakalin lang no?
and
Yung damage.
and with the support of Dexter and Eson, man, oh man, this team is really strong. But on to the other side din naman,
Laban
they
ulit.
have Yawi who keeps on going for this good initiations. They don't have enough damage, but still, it's their MB dito. Siya yung magiging target. And do you think na si MB ngayon, yung hero niya na Balmond, medyo di ba?
It's starting to...
It's starting to expire.
Yes.
Baga.
Kasi yun naman talaga yung Balmond for mid-game. Eson, kaya mong tatlo, hindi mo kaya ang 5. Immortality goes down and he will be executed by MP. The lethal counter.
A bit of an opening for the side of NXP Solid, and this is what I like about this game. Walang nagpapapigil. Walang nagpapasindak. Laban kung laban. They know they are capable of winning this game. Pareho sila dito. And they will just go for it.
Only wave clear lang gagawin
Only wave
dito
clear
ng
lang.
blacklist no?
And alam mo, this
Pinapak-
is ang layo nito dun sa first meeting nila.
Oo,
Ang layo nito
layo.
first meeting nila.
Oo.
And you know that talagang merong pinaglalaban si NXP Solid. That is going to be Edward going down. Look at that initiation coming out from NXP Solid.
Yep.
This is the opening. Aqua dito. Mafi-flicker out ba siya? And he used the Shinpo to get out of harm's way. 2 members dito are down for the side of Blacklist International. Will this cost them? That is the question. Full clip dito. Does he get away? No, he doesn't. He goes down. And I think for NXP Solid, this is going to be their win. Magkakaroon kaya ng def dito, yung side ng Blacklist International. And yes, they do!
What?
Na-def pa nila yun!
Na-def pa nila yun? Wow!
Na-def
I would have... Wow! Paano pa napatagal?
Oh,
Pero, siya, of course, malapit naman sa H2O and there's still 40 seconds on some members of Blacklist dito. So I think NXP can still go for it. Pero the waves, the minion waves are so far away now.
No, Rose Gold Meteor, kumuha na si kumuha na si Full Clip.
Kawawa, kinakawawa si Full Tip
Oo,
dito.
sabi niya,
Agad.
sabi niya, tol, kailangan ko na.
Sakit eh.
Sakit eh, wala tayong magagawa eh.
That's-
Medyo,
I don't know, man. I don't know.
pero iba.
Iba resilience ng Blacklist dito. Pero, ito yung sinasabi ko. This was a big, yung sabi mo, it was a big difference from what was happening when they first met up. And I'm trying to think of bakit kaya ganun. First of all, they are not respecting the Yawi Kufra right now. I think yung Kufra ni Yawi, sobrang hirap na hirap si Full Clip sa late game. Same with Aqua, same with Edward. Everyone's just having a hard time with this, and I think letting go of the Kufra is a big mistake for Blacklist.
Oh, yung first, kaya there's a reason why fina-first pick ng NXP Solid yung Kufra na yan. And there's a reason why other teams put a bit of emphasis
Usually, first
on that
ban nga,
Kufra.
di ba?
Oh, first ban.
Kahapon, first ban.
Kasi they do not want this certain pressure na nadadala ni Yawi sa may mapa. Grabe, pinapakita niya dito yung mga walling niya.
Oo. To the window, to the wall.
To the window, to the wall. Rene J, sabihin na natin dito, Rene J is not having a good time. But still, ang laking factor pa rin ng Dark Knight Falls.
Yun lang actually. Aside from Dark Knight Falls, obviously split pushing. He has the tools to do it. Yung 379 na yan, it doesn't matter. You just need to do your job by blinding everyone and making sure that you can secure people on the team fight. And this Lord,
ito na naman yung Lord na to. Ito na naman eh. Ito na naman tayo eh.
malayo pa ang Blacklist. Kaya ba lang humabol? Eson! Todo zone na naman!
Wow! That was a good dominant blast. The Lord goes to who? It
Full
goes to
Clip.
Full Clip. Pero here comes the Calvary. Tignan natin dito kung mababawi ba ng NXP Solid yung ninakaw sa kanila. There is that rock potion going for Eson. But it doesn't really matter as Aqua will go down as well. Dalawang member na lang ang buhay dito for the side of Blacklist International. NXP Solid, can they close this down? That is the question. Wave clear, asaan? Asaan ang Hurricane Dance? Dominant blast on 2. They catch them both. Will they go down?
Cancel!
Wala na silang pakialam. They go straight for the base.
Wait!
Kakayanin ba nila tapusin to? Yung minions hindi
Walang minions na
maabot.
naman!
Yung Lord! Oh my goodness!
H2!
H2! H2! H2! Maraming salamat!